Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neeraj Gupta, the organizing chairperson of PEDALLERCON 2025. I am thrilled to invite you to the 13th edition of India's premier National Allergy Conference, happening from October 10 to 12 in Delhi, the capital city. With over 1,000 delegates, international experts, 10 hands-on workshops and cutting-edge scientific sessions, PEDALLERCON promises to be a transformative experience for pediatricians, allergists and healthcare professionals. This year, PEDALLERCON will be a benchmark and it will act as a stepping stone for joining hands with the global experts. Join us to explore the latest in the allergy world and connect with the global leaders and elevate your experience. Register now and be part of this landmark event. I look forward to see you all during the event. So friends, are you ready for the groundbreaking scientific sessions, live workshops and hands-on learning with the world-renowned allergy experts? Expect dynamic panel discussions, practice-changing insights and unparalleled networking opportunities. PEDALLERCON 2025, where knowledge meets practice.